Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. I got halfway through this painting and realized that my camera was not recording, so I am going to have to start over again, but that's okay. We have had a good day here. We went out for our first boat ride this season. It took our mama out for Mother's Day, packed a picnic lunch with some mango margaritas for Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Some Asian beef kebabs and arugula salad, fruit salad, deviled eggs. What else did we have? Oh, a caprese salad. It was wonderful. Mom had a great time. Now I'm home. A little bit sunburned, but that's okay, even though I was underneath the canopy. But it was just a beautiful day, and it felt so good to feel normal. Yeah, felt really good to feel normal. So I am grateful for that. Let's talk about what we're doing today. This is a gallery wrapped 10 by 10 canvas. And I've already put my base coat down. It is a mixture of Loft Black with the black satin enamel. I put about a tablespoon or two in here with the Loft Black. And then my pouring medium, which is 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800. Our colors today are yummy. I got home from our boat ride, and there was a package waiting for me at my front door. A sweet lady, thank you, Jan, from the bottom of my heart, was sad because I was sad because I ran out of my Rustoleum metallics that another sweet lady had sent me. And so Jan sent me some, so I got a couple of big old jugs of this and this fantastic color, which I've never used. This is Rustoleum Metallics. Comes in these little sample containers, so you can kind of figure out whether you like them or not. And this is the Ruby, and that's what I have here in this lovely little cup. In this cup right here, I have a mixture of Studio Acrylics, Pebeo, and I can't see the name of the paint because it's got paint on it, but this is number 360. And I mixed a few drops of my Golden Paynes Gray in with this. Made a real nice shimmery, yummy kind of blue gray. This pretty color right here is Decoart Metallics, and this is Rose Gold. And this pretty color right here, I'm really excited about. I'm going to do a flower. This is going to be the center of our flower. This is going to be the color I'm swiping with. That is a mixture of the Decoart Rose Gold, and I added a few drops of the Iridescent Pearl by Golden until I got that nice light shade that I was looking for. And you know, this time of year, so many things are in bloom and beautiful, and so I kind of got my inspiration from a flower that I saw today. So these colors together are kind of funky. Sometimes you just got to look at things and dissect them and say, oh my gosh, that would work really well with that, when you very rarely think that those things would work well together. So I saw this in a flower today. We'll see just how well it works. Now, I've already put my center down, which is a mixture of the rose gold and the golden iridescent pearl, and then I encircled it with just the rose gold. So that's where I was before I realized my camera was off. Our swiping tool of choice today is flexible plastic. Everybody asks me, what is that in your hand? It's an old report cover, the kind of report cover that you give your teacher when you're doing a report, and the top of it is plastic and clear. I removed the top and I cut it into a bunch of different sizes, and I have been using this since I started my very first swipe about 10 or 11 months ago. I've been using the same one. So flexible plastic, guys. Let's go ahead and get busy. I'm going to put on some new tunes for you guys. I'm going to put some tunes on and we're going to get busy. Thanks for being here, guys.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your